Okay, so here's the video that I put this windshield on. It works really great. I finally figured out where these bars should be as close together and as parallel as they should on all the windshields. That holds it a lot more snug than what they are. What's bothering me on this now is if you look, these little stems on these mirrors are what? Maybe 2 inches on both of these, so really cheap on Amazon. Here, let me set this down. Whoa. A little bolt of some sort flew out. Oh, I guess that's to hold it on. These things. So these have a much bigger. So I won't just see my shoulder once they go on correctly. Yeah, they'll stick out. So you don't see shoulders and you see traffic. Anyway, all I'm gonna do, so I take it. I don't know why they gave me an extra one of these, but I'm sure I'm about to find out. But these things look awful fat compared to these. Alright, well, I'll figure it out and let you know. Oh, I see. They didn't put one on here. Okay. Alright, and all this does is tighten, so let's hope everything works out well. Okay, so if you've never put on or taken off a mirror before, this mirror post screws in itself. And once you got it screwed in, then you take this nut and you screw it down to where everything's snug. So I just unscrewed the other one out and I'm screwing this one in, and I'm going to get it to the position I want. Once I get it to the position I want, I will screw this bottom sleeve down and that'll hold it in place. So see, it's tight right here. I'm going to back this sucker off. Bring it around, see if it goes around one more time. Yeah, that's pretty good. Once I got it down that far, because I want this to have some, I want this nut, tightening nut, to have some thread. I'll back it out a little more, right there. Just so it has some thread to snug that up. Remember, I'm going to put this mirror where I want it and then snug that up. Great. But looking at it, it's a lot more than 2 inches. I'll get to see over my shoulders. Alright. I may do both of them now. Okay. I got them both on. Pretty happy about it because look, here's where the old one was. Pretty low. This one's a whole like 3 inches higher. And I sat on the bike and I don't have to worry about seeing my shoulders. That's just enough room to do it. And I turned the whole mirror around to where I wanted it, and then I tightened the locking nut right there. And I didn't put any Loctite in there because I want to see how it goes for a while. And once I ride it for a while, once I ride it this weekend, then I'll go ahead and loosen them up, drop some Loctite in it. So, hope you got something from it. Thanks for watching.